Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to accept a trade on Sleeper application. So, in order to do this, first of all, open Sleeper application on your mobile phone. After opening the application, you will see an interface that will look something like this. Here, you'll have to simply navigate to a league to do the trade. And if you're not into league, click on play icon at the top, select your game, click on create league and create a new league by following the prompts. Now, after navigating to the league, you will see this page, and on this page just navigate to players section at the top. So you will see draft, team, players and league. You'll have to click on players and you will see search, trend, available, leaders and at last trade option. Click on trade and it is instantly going to open up this page. So this is where all active trade offers appear. Select the trade you want to review. Check the players involved and any other trade details. If you are satisfied, click the accept button and the trade will then process according to your league's trade setting. So you will see your trade block here. You can click on trade here, select the trade partners and click on start trade proposal. Send a proposal. If they review your proposal and accept it, you would have successfully traded on Monopoly Go. Now, the active trades will appear in this section where you can click on post a trade and post another trade, and the trade history will appear in this section. So to accept trade, you'll have to basically click on accept button in this section on this page, and the trade will then process according to your league's trade setting. So that's how you accept a trade on Sleeper application. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.